How to replace the power button board. Before you begin, remove the speaker mesh and display panel. Removal. Disconnect the power button board ribbon cable from its connector on the power button board. Remove the adhesive protective rubber shielding from the power button board and set it aside for later replacement. Remove the P1 Phillips-head screw that secures the power button board to the back cover. Note: if you are replacing the power button board on a 27-inch platform, you will need to remove a second P2 Phillips-head screw at the top of the power button board. Grasp the right edge of the power button board and pull gently to remove it from the rubber adhesive that secures it to the back cover. Replacement. Grasping the right edge of the power button board, insert the power button board into position over the adhesive and screw wells on the back cover. Push down to adhere the power button board to the rubber adhesive and replace the P1 Phillips-head screw that secures the power button board to the back cover. Note: if you are replacing the power button board on a 27-inch platform, you will need to replace a second P2 Phillips-head screw at the top of the power button board. Replace the adhesive protective rubber shielding over the power button board and press down to adhere it. Reconnect the power button board ribbon cable to its ZIF connector on the power button board.